For exercise 5-7, there are a lot of different approaches that can be taken to do this particular exercise. We've talked about centering and dimensioning in the previous videos, so the purpose of this video is just going to be to show you how to draw the object. So I'm even going to ignore the border for right now because I just want you to focus on how this thing is being made. Like I said, with this one, there are multiple approaches to exactly how to do this particular object. The approach that I'm going to take is going to start with the top plane. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my line straight back 50, come back down 40, in 10, back 30, down 40, and then close that off. That is the upper left side. Now what I need to do is, since this is 40 in two places, that means there's a gap of 20 in between these two. So I'm going to do a line right here, 20. And then I'm going to do my line 40. We'll come forward 50, in 10, back up 40, up 30, and close that off. Now before I do anything else, I want to get rid of that line because I know that I am not going to use it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring all of my edges down the appropriate distances to build this particular piece. On this one here, I need to bring this line down, and I'm going to copy it. You never want to offset. I'm going to copy this straight down 30. And what that 30 does is it allows me to go ahead and form the right side of the object. So now I have most of my right side done. In fact, I can now just bring a line in here, 30, up 15, back in 20, and close that off, and I've got that particular piece done. For this side, it's going to be a little bit different. I know that I'm going to have a line that comes down here 30. And then I can bring out that same situation that I did before, come out here 30, up 15, back in 20, and then straight up to here. Well, now this is where I can make my life just a little bit easier, and I can copy all of these leading edges, including this leading edge, down from here to here. Now all I have to do is draw in my corners for these spots here, draw in a 30-degree corner at that spot, or an edge, trim using this piece, and now you can see that I've got the majority of this shape complete. Now what I need to do is I need to draw a line that goes back 25 and over 40, and that's going to connect back out to this piece. Now I can copy these two lines from here to here, draw in this corner, and trim out this line. And what you'll notice is, just by copying and drawing the lines, I now have the completed object for exercise 5-7. That's the 4 assignments that you guys have for this week. These 5 tutorial videos, make sure you go through them and go through them and go through them if you need to. Email me with any questions that you may have, and have fun on these assignments. Isometrics may seem a little bit difficult at first, but once you get used to them, they're actually a lot easier than doing the top, front, and right side views.